Cordial greeting, tutor and companions. My name is Jose Alejandro Agudelo. I am 26 years old. I am a business administration technologist. My marital status is single. I am happy and passionate person. I like to propose new challenges and I soon deem sociable and enterprising and alive in Tuluá City. Tips for going to California. It is said of California that it is the land of autumnal springs. This topic is due to the temperate climate throughout the year. If you plan to go on vacation to California, I advise you to visit before which place you want to visit and at what time of the year. For example, if you want to see natural parks and mountains areas, it is best to go in summer. On the other hand, if you want to take a trail along the Great Coast, you can bother in it almost around any time of the year, especially in the southern part of California. Stay true to climate in California. In general, the climate of the Great Coast is really nice, especially in the southernmost areas, where it does not stop hitting last 365 days a year. On the other hand, in the zones of the West and North Coast, the climate is variable. Sometimes snow, sometimes it is cloudy. It is also windy. It has a good climate. Stay true what you should do in California. If you plan to do California, If you plan to go to California, you should pay attention to the price of flights, hotel reservation, and place you want to visit, and recommended visiting the park now at Disneyland Anaheim, Disneyland Park, and Disneyland California Adventures Park, because the transport is a magical and different world. What you do not, you have to do in California. You should not accept help from a stranger, and you should take good care of your belongings. Access to amusement park in complex, because you usually find yourself with many routes under control. You must take all the precaution that the staff of the amusement park to avoid accidents. You can not consume cigarettes in public places. You shall not use drugs or consume alcohol in excess. You shall not leave your passport in the hotel or the place where you stay. You shall always load it because it is used identification, and now you must escape the police control. Bye.